Alright, what's up YouTube? I'm going to do a quick video here. I'm at another vacant property. This one is smart key. I did not have a key for it, and I didn't think to start filming first, but I just used the Locktech scope here, and I'll put a link in the top right of the video if you want to see how this thing actually works. I'll put a link to a video I did it in a while back if you want to see it in action. And I went ahead and get into my van out of the sun here. I went ahead and just took pictures of the locks. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then with these I'm able to actually decode it and put a key. So there's the key that we decoded, and when I try to go on the back door here, it still wouldn't work, so we'll go ahead and show you what's going on, and we'll do the rekey real quick here. So this will be a pretty fast video because it is smart key. You know, once again, you have the Locktech scope. You know, it's fast, it's easy, it saves you from drilling, saves the client money, which they always like. Alright, so got all my little reset tools here. Go and grab one. Got new keys. And I came up to the back door here. It's not going to open. I'll show you when we get inside why. Walk around here. And you saw my last video here. This house actually smells way worse than the last one did. Alright, so I'm gonna come inside here, and I got this window right here that doesn't want to close. I'm gonna let them know that if you get a handyman out here, I don't break windows. Not my department. So this is why the back door wouldn't open here. It's got the it's got this right here, so from the outside it would not open. So since I made a key, I made a key to this deadbolt and turned it, and then the door wouldn't open. But rekeying smart key is pretty easy. And you're just gonna take your key that operates the lock, turn it, and then you're gonna insert the little tool. You feel a little click, key comes out, new key goes in, and rekeyed. And just repeat the process on this deadbolt. Alright, so this door, consider itself rekeyed. And I'm going to just lock it back how it was when I got here. So lock that too, and I'll just let the property manager know they need to come in the front door when they get here. And this window here, I don't know why it won't close, but they're gonna have to figure that out. Last thing I need to do is break a window and be buying one for somebody. And this is the last lock that we need to do. And having a working key makes this whole process a lot easier. What I would do if I couldn't decode it with the little reset tools, I would have taken the deadbolt off the door from outside and then made a key to that. And yeah, I'll link that video too. I've done that before in video. Alright, so that works here. I'm going to make sure we just test all 3 of my keys. Everything's pretty good. And this is a really easy job here. Lock up the property. Alright, got it locked up tight here. And basically just got to put a tag on my keys so I can keep track of them. So I got to go drop these off at an office sometime today when I'll be driving by. And pretty much that's it for this job. If you guys have any questions or comments, I'll put them in the comments. And I'm on the way to a commercial job now, and if nobody's there, I'll film that one too. I think it's going to be empty as well. But all we got for this one, guys. We will talk to everybody later.